Hello, hello, and welcome to New York Times Sudoku Medium puzzle for Wednesday, November 1st. Alrighty, we're gonna start. Ooh, check this out. 1, 1, and 1. We're starting out strong. I like it when that happens. So we're just gonna start out and I have a very cute and cozy kitty right next to me who's all snuggly and happy and wonderful. His name is Luke. I also call him Lukey Pie. Alright, I think that's it for our ones. So now we're going to go to twos. Ooh, between this one and this one, we have an actual 2. Love it when that happens. And okay, let's move on down to 3s. Okay, and 4s. So this is going to give us 4s in this column. Between here and here. And again, we've got 4s in this column. And, ooh, that's nice. And 4s here. Okay. Moving on to 5s. Swink, swink. Swink, swink, swink. Okay, not seeing anything for 5s. Ooh, and there's no 6s. I love it when that happens. That makes it so much more fun. So now we move on to 7s. Quick and easy. Okay. 8. Interesting. There's only 1 8. I mean, there's 2 8s, but they wouldn't really have anything. Alright, well, let's do 9s between these 9s. We have an actual 9 there. And then, oopsie, not a 6, 9. Love it. We've got an exclusivity thing going on. Between these 2 9s, actually, that's all it takes. We have an actual 9 here. And that means that we have 9 exclusivity going on, 2 squares, 2 numbers, so 4 cannot go there. Now, what's really interesting is if we are looking at this row, then the only things that can go in there are 2 or 9, and this cannot be a 4, and this cannot be a 4, so this has to be a 4. Love it. Gorgeous. All right, and we were on 9s though, weren't we? So let's go back to our 9s really quickly. Oh, it's okay, kitty. Something woke him up. I don't know what. Okay, that's all we've got for 9s. So let's go back to these 2. So we know that we have a 2 and 9 here. So 1, we have our 1, 2s here. 3, 4, 5. The only thing that can be here is a 6, 7, 6, 7, because then we have an 8 and our 9. Beautiful. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And then let's look down in this area here, because we already have our 1, our 2s, our 3s. It's going to be one of these. 4, 5, 6 can be anywhere. 7, 2, 2, 2, 8. Here we go. And then we have our 9s. All right. What else do we have? Okay. Am I missing anything? 1, 2, 3. All right. Well, let's see what we got. 6, 7. Okay, let's look at this column here. Specifically this. So we know we have the 7 and the 6 that can go in this column, but we also have an 8. So we know 8 can't go here. We know 8 cannot go here. So the only place for 8 to be is this one. Zwink, zwink. So that's where we'll put that. And then let's look at this row, see if we have anything interesting. Actually, let's look at the square. So we know that the square cannot be a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5. It can be a 6, but it can't be a 7, an 8, or a 9. So the only thing that can go in the square is a 6. And there we go, our very first 6 on the board. And check it out, due to this 6, it can't be these. Now we have 2 6s, and between these 2 6s, we've got another one here. All right. So we have a 1 and a 1 and a 1. So let's put these candidates on. And then also these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then that leaves these 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 8. Excellent. And that also leaves this column. Now this can't be a 1, this can't be a 1, so this has to be our 1. Also that can't be a 1, so easier way to do it. Which leaves 1, 2, 3. So the only thing missing in this column is a 3. However, 3 can't go there, so this is our 3. Here's our 2. This cannot be our 3, so this is our 3. And it also means that our 2's are down here. And then the only thing missing is a 5. Yep. Which puts that there. And, oh, we have our 4. So this is a 4. This is not a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which means these 2 squares, only 2 squares left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. There we go. Which means we have an 8 and this 8 in the column, so we have an 8, 8. And can we do anything with the 6? Zoop. Yes, actually. So 6 can't go down here. We know that 6 can't be any of these 2. And then 6 can't be that one. So then we have a 6, 6 there. 6. How about down below? Not quite yet. Okay. Oh, and let's fill in these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There. Just for completeness. which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh yeah, so 7 can't be this top row, 7 can't be this middle row, so then this is our 7. 8, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swing. All right. 6, 7, 8, 9. So, yeah. Any of these 3 can be 5, so we don't quite have our 5 yet. 7 6s. Okay. Still figuring some things out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 and 8. Okay. Let's look at this row here. So we have a 1, 2. We have a possible 3, a possible 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7. Ooh, could be 7 anywhere. Yeah, we need more 7s on the board. 8, 9. But then let's take a look. Notice nothing here. So let's take a look. So it can't be a 1. It can't be a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5. We know it can't be a 6. So 7, because it can't be an 8 and it can't be a 9. So there we go. There's our 7, which means this is 7, this is 2, this is 2, this is 9. Yeah, we like this. Okay, I kind of want to clear these before I get confused. Doop, doop, doop. So this can be an 8. Oh, check it out. So we've got 2s. 1, 2. 8. I don't know why I jumped from 2 to 8. But then we have 3s. 3, 3. So 3, 4, 5. Boop. Boop. Too much. Yep. 6, too much. 7, 8. Think, 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 9. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the only thing that aren't on the board there is 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6. Cool. So what else can we do with this 7? 7. Here, between this one and this one, that makes our candidate 7, 7. Now here's what's interesting. We have a 7, 7. We have a 7, 7. So, if you're looking at the middle column, we know neither of these two can be 7s because 7's already here. We know these can't be 7s because 7's are already here. which means one of these two has to be a 7. 7, 7. Excellent. 2, 3, 7. Mm-hmm. And 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 8. Okay, well now we have more of our 7s on the board, and I was just complaining about how we needed 7s. So now, 5s. It'd be nice to have some 5s on the board. Yeah, I guess we're 3s. I won't be picky. So this can be a 1, 5. That can be a 1, 5. Let's go back up here. So we have 1s here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh. Silly me. Let's take a look at 7s. Between this 7, and this 7, 7 has to go here. Yeah, 7 can't go there. Sometimes I'm just so silly, which means 4 has to go here, which means the only place for 6 to go is here, 1 here, and that just leaves this for 5. Beautiful. So between this one and this one, here's our 5, which puts our 1 here. The only other place for 2 here. The only other place for 3 is here. I don't know why I thought that was a 9. Which is gonna put our 6 candidate there. There we go. Much, much better. Feeling really good about that. Okay, so we have our 1, 2, 2, 9, 8, and then lastly our 6, which means our 6 goes there, leaving the 8, 1, 2, 3. 3 can't go here, so we have our 3 and our 7. 7, 6, 6 and 6, 6 here, 5 here, 7. Beautiful. Here's our 3. 3 is here. 5 can't be here because of that one. So 5, 8, whoopsie, 8, I fat fingered it. 8 and 4. Here's the 6, so 6, 8, 8, 7, and then last but not least, we have this 5 here, so 5 and 3. Phew! Thank you so much. Have a good night.